The Forex market is rapidly evolving, and 2025 promises significant changes. Will you be ready to adapt your strategies? To succeed, continuous learning is your secret weapon in this ever-changing landscape. Stay informed through trusted Forex blogs. Free resources like webinars on trading skills can be beneficial. Even a short session might save you from costly mistakes. Understanding upcoming trends allows you to adjust trades accordingly, especially in a volatile market. Can you afford to be caught off guard? Building a solid trading strategy is crucial for success. Define your trading style and stick to a plan that works for you. Testing your strategy with demo accounts is vital. It prepares you for real trades without risking your hard-earned money. Be prepared to adapt your strategies as market conditions change. Flexibility can be the difference between profit and loss. Risk management is essential for longevity in Forex trading. Set strict limits to safeguard your investments and avoid devastating losses. Using stop-loss orders ensures you minimize potential losses. Without this safeguard, one bad trade could eliminate your account. Diversifying your trades protects you from market fluctuations. Spreading risk across different pairs can save you during turbulent times. Incorporate advanced trading tools like AI analytics into your strategy. These tools can quickly highlight valuable trading opportunities. Automation through trading bots means you can trade while managing other responsibilities. Let technology do the heavy lifting for you. Staying connected with a mobile trading app can keep you informed. Trade on the go and seize opportunities as they arise. Don't hesitate to seek expert guidance when making tough decisions. Forex signals can provide invaluable insights to enhance your trading. Using trade alerts can help you capitalize on market events in real time. Staying updated can give you a competitive edge. Real-time alerts prevent missed opportunities during volatile market conditions. Catching a drop early can lead to significant profits. With the right support, trading can be less daunting. It's like having a coach to guide you towards better decisions. Want to trade smarter? Join our Forex Signals group and gain access to valuable insights and trade ideas. Experience instant updates and better odds with our community's proven trading signals. It's about working smarter in 2025. New and seasoned traders alike can benefit from joining our group. It's time to elevate your trading game with expert guidance.